Ola, is that give paw?
We taught him Ola is like to wave.
Oh, hello.
But it's his
okay.
paw. Yeah.
Oh, he likes it.
Big rave reviews. But yeah, we'll do this QR code thing.
Wonderful. Yeah, we're social.
Nice that you're still.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, I know.
At the Warrior Mix and
You don't do citrine in the main.
Want to give it a go? I just saw you eyeing it before. So this game is called Toilet Toss. You can choose either set of colors. You have to take a look at the photo on the bean bag. If it goes in the toilet, then it'll end in the toilet.
I see. So
The green bin item.
Yeah, so toilet and a green bin.
On the first try. Awesome. You have a great rest of your day. Good morning. Go for your change. That's okay. Go your potatoes.
cauliflower, I got my potatoes, I got my beans. What else are these? Is it right? I charge
You're supposed to be on the money management table. 2, 4. Can you count this, please? How much is that?
No, I can take you over here. Burger and any burger.
you can take that one and we'll put it in there. I'm going to do a punch better.
That a good one? Two curds. Yes, please. Okay. Hey, what do you think?
She's like, I need to get out.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
Is she? Yeah. Oh God, yes, yes. She got that given to her. Was that the one that? Yeah, it was like it was a radish.
Good, and you? Good.
We're gonna, yeah, when we go back, we'll have lockers that are gonna be ready.
What do you want?
What do you guys have?
Mia, stay with Mama. Mama, come. Mia, come.
Here we have bread. And we got coffee.
Zucchini from that side. You like zucchini?
No, we want only cucumber.
And the other side is sweet.
We want only cucumber.
Cucumber.
Look at one box.
No, this one is sweet. That we have plum water, lemon, everything.
Wait.
That's why I want to get it for something that's a bit more secure right now.
If you have cash, it's better. And you have to get the machine.
If I'm dropping bio, should I?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I gotta call on Monday because I haven't received the card yet.